In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Alice Blue with TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to tradingview.com and you want to sign into your account or create one in case you don't have one yet. And after that, hover over Products up top and click on Supercharts. Now, whenever you enter the supercharts over here, down here bottom left, you're going to see a trading panel button. Click on this to open the trading panel. If nothing shows, you can pull it up here or just make it full screen like this. And then here you want to click on show all brokers at the bottom and you have to find Alice Blue. Okay, so just scroll down and find it. And if you cannot find it, if you're having trouble, you could just basically click on Ctrl F on your keyboard, type in Alice. And there we go, Alice Blue is going to get found, and then you can just click on it and click on the connect button, which is going to take you to a separate page where you can basically put in your credentials. Okay, so you can just go ahead and sign in with your user ID and sign into your account, and whenever you do that with your valid credentials, you'll be able to connect your Alice Blue on over here onto TradingView, and you can then just click on this button and you can start trading and using Alice Blue with TradingView. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.